Welcome back, dear students. Now we are gonna talk about factorizing the perfect square trinomial. A perfect square, we have to remember if we have a bracket like that, x plus 2 all to the power 2, how we can multiplying this bracket by itself. We had taken this lesson before. This term will gonna to be factorized into three terms, which are x square or the first square, then the second square, which will gonna to be 4. The middle term is first times second times 2, so it will gonna to be x times 2 times 2. It will gonna to be 4x. Our lesson is talking about if we have this expression, how I will gonna to make it like that. Okay, to know the perfect square trinomial, we have two conditions. The first one is the first and the third term should be perfect. And what meaning of perfect? It means they are positive and having square root. The second condition is talking about the middle term is equal to 2 times the square root of the first and the square root of the third. Okay, exercise 1, factorizing each of the following: 25ax squared plus 20a plus 4. How we can know, or how we can examine that this trinomial is perfect or not? We can find here that the first term and the third term are positive. Also, they having a square root. The square root of the first term is 5a, and the square root of the last term or the third one is 2. Okay, the middle term here is equals to 2 times square root of the first, 5a, times the square root of the third, which is equal to, the product of this form is 20a. We found that 20a is the middle term, so it is perfect. So the factorization of this term is directly, we will gonna to open a bracket and putting power 2, square root of the first, which is 5a, square root of the last term, which is equal to, and we will gonna to put the sign of the middle, positive. Okay, next, 28x minus 49x squared minus 4. First of all, these terms of this expression are not arranged, so we're gonna to arrange it, so it will gonna to be negative 49x squared plus 28x minus 4. We can taking highest common factor negative. Okay, so it will gonna to be 49x squared minus 28x plus 4. Okay, by thinking about the terms of this expression, we found that x squared here, the first term having a square root which is equal to 7x, and the last term having a square root which is equal to, and the first and last term are positive. The middle term is 2 times the square root first times the square root third. 2 times 7x times 2 is equal to 28, so it is perfect. So the bracket will gonna to be bracket power 2, we're gonna to put 7x and 2 and the sign of the middle, and don't forget the negative common factor up there. Okay, the next one, here we have 38 to the power 2 and 28 to the power 2. Also, this form is 2 times 38 times 28. So the result will be directly by opening the bracket power 2 and putting here 38 minus 28. The result will be bracket power 2, 38 minus 20 is equal to 10, 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. Okay, if we have here a missing term, how we can find it? If we have a missing term and it's a perfect square, we having here a rule to get the middle term, it will be positive or negative 2 times the square root first times square root third. Okay, and if we are looking for first term or third term, first or third, we will going to make middle term to the power 2 over 4 times third. If we are looking to first, the rule will be middle power 2 over 4 times the third. If we are looking for third, the rule will be middle power 2 over 4 times the first. Okay, here in number 1 in the exercise 2, the missing part is the middle term, so we will gonna to make positive or negative 2 times the square root first times the square root third. So it's positive or negative 2 times square root till first is equal to 7x times the square root is third, which is equal to 5. The results will be positive or negative 70x. Positive or negative 70x. What about last one? Here we have the missing part is the first term. So to get the first term, we will gonna to make the middle power 2 over 4 times the third. 12xy all to the power 2 over 4 times 9y square. It's not x, it's multiply. Okay, here we will gonna to have 144x square y square over 36y square. So we get here the result. The result will be 4x square. So the missing term is 4x square. Thank you and goodbye.